3 months ago, Jamie had no idea AI would completely change their life and their bank account. In just 90 days, they went from zero to making nearly $740 a month online, but it wasn't easy. And the AI tricks Jamie used aren't the ones you hear about everywhere else. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they did it and how you can use these secret methods yourself. Who is Jamie and why should you care? Jamie, 24, working from a cramped Denver studio, was stuck. The apps barely paid. Traditional jobs bored them. But in early January 2026, Jamie found a post on r/AI tool hustle. Stop wasting time with ChatGPT, try these instead. Split screen, post on r/AI tool hustle, top AI tool logos, Jamie skeptical face, Jamie Dovin skeptical. So many fakes out there, right? All promises, no proof.
What Jamie found were tools that quietly paid creators, freelancers, and hustlers, and a subculture of AI users trading secret workflows you won't hear from gurus. Here's where it gets interesting. Jamie's first move, real-world research. No fake screenshots, just number. They made a private tracker their goal. Try 3 AI hustles, track every dollar, kill anything that didn't pay in 14 days. Challenge #1 AI-powered video summaries for YouTubers using SynthMind. Split screen, SynthMind web interface example YouTube video. Fiverr side gig post Jamie scrape trending niche video. Then use SynthMind summarizer. Summary, 300 words, SEO optimized. We sold these on Fiverr for $7 a piece. Week 1, 17 orders, $119 after fee. Burnout hit quick, manual negotiation, picky clients, constant tweak. By week 2, Jamie realized they needed automation. That's when AI trigger tools came in. Zapier AI 6, Zero and Task Pilot, both with advanced integrations for 2026. 2-hour setup. Jamie built a workflow that pulled new video links from Reddit, ran summaries via SynthMind, and organized them by keyword in Notion. Now Jamie only spent 45 minutes per night approving and sending orders. But then things got messy. Complication time. Clients started requesting summaries with unique angles, emotional hooks, and custom SEO keywords. SynthMind's default summaries sounded robotic. Income flatline. Fiverr gig traffic dropped by 30%. Jamie's solution. Hybrid workflows. First, they piped SynthMind outputs into Gemini Pro 2. 6 for rewriting using new humanized text mode, targeting American YouTube audiences. Then a final Grammarly AI passed a fixed tone and cat missing slang, essential for Gen Z buyers. Results after tweak, orders rebounded. Average per piece pay rose to $8.25. April total, $412 net after expenses and platform fee. But Jamie wasn't stopping with freelance summaries. Real discovery came at the end of month 2. Friend tipped Jamie to Dataset flipping on hugging face spaces. Here's how it worked. Jamie curated 50 viral meme templates using AI image search, trained a mini model with SynthMind's API, and listed it as a paid community asset. First month, 19 subscribers, x $12 equals $228. Platform cuts. Completely passive after setup. The real surprise. You don't have to be a coder. Jamie followed no-code YouTube tutorials, automated the boring parts, and used Reddit/Discord for idea validation. But what happened next changed everything and almost derailed the project. Growing fast equals unexpected problems. Payment freeze from Fiverr required ID re-verification. Hugging face payout delayed a week, and Gemini flagged a meme for copyright. Here's the lesson. AI hustles aren't mad. Jamie spent hours fixing issues, talking to support, and shifting strategies on the fly. By mid-March 2026, Jamie reflected total earned $1,740 after platforms, fees, and refunds. The real win, replicable workflows, not viral overnight hits. But what did Jamie actually learn? 1. Use workflow combos. Few AI tools do it all. Stack 2 or 3 for outsized results. 2. Automate everything repetitive. Human creativity, AI at the finish. 3. Sell micro assets. Not just services, datasets, templates, and workflows. Sell while you sleep. 4. Don't trust platforms to always pay instantly. Budget for delays and account freezes. 5. Validate demand in active communities. Reddit, Discord, Twitter, DMs, not just search volume. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. MikiMoney AI posts new stories like this every DIY. You don't want to miss our next method. Let's recap. Jamie turned skepticism into actionable cash with zero code
Tools, a willingness to adapt. An honest tracking of real numbers. No overnight riches, no fake screenshots. Real, repeatable AI income $1. $5K, $2K per month if you follow the same path. And the next surprise. In our next video, we'll follow former Uber driver who used nothing but Robinhood AI and a $100 starting balance to build an AI-powered ETF portfolio, seeing a 28% ROI in just 4 months. If you like this story, you'll love what comes next. Subscribe and hit the bell because we drop new AI money stories every single day. The next story is even crazier. Disclaimer, not financial advice. Always do your own research before using any tool or investing any money.